Today I'm making shredded beef for meal prep tacos. We're going to start off by lightly spraying our pan with coconut oil, and then we're going to place our meat to sear on all sides. Once it's nicely seared, we're going to go ahead and place that in our crock pot and then return to the same pan that we were searing our meat. We're going to add a half cup of chopped onion and go ahead and saute that a bit just so it tenderizes, and add 1 large garlic clove, which I've previously minced, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. You can go ahead and add beef broth, chicken broth, or even wine, but this is for my husband's meal prep, so I didn't want to add anything that he can't have. Now for seasonings, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Now give this all a mix. And we're gonna add some spice. I'm adding 2 chopped chipotle chilies and 1 tablespoon of the adobo liquid that comes in the chipotle can. And we're gonna give it a stir. And now we're adding salt and pepper to personal taste. Just remember that we did not season our meat previously to searing it, so all our flavor is gonna come from our sauce. So you wanna make sure you season your sauce really well. And now we're just going to mix it and simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it coats the back of your spoon nicely. And this is how you want it. Once it's to this consistency, you're going to go ahead and pour that over your meat, which is inside of the crock pot already. You want to make sure you get all those little pieces of flavor. Now just cover your crock pot and we're going to cook it at high heat, high cook, whatever your crock pot says, for 4 hours first. That's what I did. And it all depends on your own crock pot. I cooked it first for 4 hours, and then when I saw that it was done, I shredded it and I cooked it for another 2 hours. And then it was to the perfect consistency that I wanted for my tacos. And once those 2 hours have passed, you're ready to enjoy some tacos. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday through Thursday, and as always, thank you for watching. Talk to you next video.